Hi guys, let's continue with the short tips on Amazon advertising. In today's episode, I will just try to cover something around campaign structure. So how many keywords per ad group, but not just the number. I would like to share the reasoning behind it, how I see it, and how we do it. So there's no magic number like how many keywords you need to have in a campaign because it depends on the search volume, it depends on the intent. Is it a ranking campaign? Is it a research or harvesting campaign or something else? Like a general rule, I can tell you that yes, the less the better because you will have more granular control over what's happening. That will enable you completely, absolutely control on what's happening on placements. If you have a single keyword ad group, that is like ideal campaign structure, but you may end up with tens of thousands of campaigns. If that's your thing, you can do that, and you can do it manually. You can do it with a tool, but that also works. It has absolute control, but you don't have to go that far, but you can maybe focus on 5 to 10. As a general, I don't like to go more than 10, but again, I will show you an example where even 10 is too much. But you have to know the context. You have to see what's the search term, what's the search volume of each keyword. So let me give you a few examples. Take a look at this one. So last 30 days, here it is. It's 9 keywords, and out of 332 euros in the last 30 days, only this single keyword, sorry, this yeah, this single keyword spent like 99% of the budget. It's simply because this keyword, I've had to hide it, but this keyword has the biggest search volume out of all of them, and that's why it draws the most of the budget. And that can happen. Doesn't matter if it's a 100 keywords. I like to explain it like you have one cake. So it's different if you have to slice that cake on 100 pieces or 3 pieces, and there can be that there's going to be 5 people who's going to eat that cake, one grown-up man and 4 toddlers, so who's going to eat more? So here, this is the man among the toddlers, and he's eating too much of the cake, so everybody else stays unhappy. So that's one example. So second example, same thing. Here are 32 keywords, but category targeting combined with keyword targeting, where you again the same thing. One targeting which is too broad with a high search volume combined with all the rest, it creates problems. So here also more than 90% of spend is going towards the most important keyword or targeting here. It's not by itself such a problem because if it's a winning keyword, yes, you get good results, you get good sales, and you're happy. Here, okay, ACOS is 8.49% with a good conversion rate, 14%, and that's it. But you may think that you're targeting so many other keywords, and on a campaign level, you would say, hey, I'm killing it. No, this campaign is awesome, and you're actually missing the point on all the other keywords, so that can really happen. And another point also, it's not just if you set 6 keywords per campaign that everything is going to be all right. Here you can also see that happens. Out of 5,400, 3,000 went to the others. So just wanted to give you context. Like, don't follow the numbers. Like it's 5 keywords, it's 10 keywords, it's 100 keywords. If you put 100 keywords, even if you put budget of $1 million per day, that's not going to be good, because 1 or 2 keywords going to spend that $1 million, and all the others are not going to perform at all. So yeah, forward this video to your team if this is something that was interesting to you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.